So now that I have made a strong case for email marketing, let's get into the best practices for getting the most out of your audience subscribers. Okay? Number one, never ever buy or rent a list. Okay? Never ever buy or rent a list. Why? That will I have tested this out, and I have found that purchased lists are the worst thing you can ever use for your email marketing. Number one, they have a very, very low to no return on investment. Okay, you will have very low open rates, very low click rates. The best way to go about this is to make sure that you're either getting people to subscribe through giving them value. Maybe either either you can use social media, or you can have live offers where people subscribe to something to your email list. Okay. That is the best way to ensure that you build a list that appreciates your value and already understands what you are going to offer to them. That way, open rates and click-through rates will be higher. Number two, it's also related to what I shared in the first point. Always use permission-based marketing when you are getting email subscribers. What I mean by permission-based marketing, it's where people give you permission to use their emails. How do you do this? Come up with a free offer, for example. Put it on social media. Put it out there. Give it to an affiliate so that people subscribe to receiving emails from you. They are giving you permission to send them emails. Okay? You can even go a step further by adding a checkbox below your form, which allows you to send them their emails. Let them confirm that they are allowing to receive marketing information from you. Okay, that is one of the ways to get the most out of your subscribers. Another very important thing that many email marketers forget to do is segmenting their lists. Okay, you can segment your list based on a number of factors. You can segment your list based on activity, how often they interact with your email, that's engagement. You can segment your list based on how they got onto that list. Did you upload it manually? Did they opt in for a PDF? Did they purchase a product? Did they watch a masterclass? So you can have lists, you can have segmentation for those different people, so that when you are sending out value, you send out value based on how they got onto that list, or how engaged they are with your list. Okay, I hope we are clear up to that point. That way you will get the most out of your email subscribers. Okay, the next point I want to talk about is make sure that you do not burn out your list. How do you make sure that you don't burn out your list? Through your analytics in your email marketing software, you will find that there are times when your email subscribers are very active, and then there are also times when your email subscribers click or open. So you could choose the times when to send out your email campaigns. I have found out that for me, the maximum I can do is twice a day. That's the max. When I have a live, for example, I can push it to 3, but that is pushing it. So you make sure that you never ever exceed 2 or 3 times for your email list, because then you end up burning up your list, and they will end up they will begin ignoring your email campaigns, which is actually dangerous for your for the quality of your email domain. The other thing that I feel I have to emphasize, though by now you've got the point, is always make sure that you're giving your list lots and lots of value. It's not all about selling your products, telling them to come for just your webinar, and then what, so that you pitch them. No. Remember to nurture and give them value. Help them succeed in their own endeavors, in their own lives. Remember, they came to you because they felt you could help them achieve their goals. So ensure that you are giving them a weekly or daily value that can actually change their lives. Okay, it's not all about product. That way, whenever you have something that you want to sell, they will take you as the authority and easily click on whatever you are selling to them. Okay, now the final and very important point is always allow them to unsubscribe. Okay, allow people to unsubscribe from your list. Like it or not, you will always come to a point when people no longer identify with your message, or people have moved on to doing other things and they feel that they got whatever they needed from you and now they are doing other better things with their lives. So when that point comes, always have an unsubscribe link somewhere in your email so that they can unsubscribe. Okay, and then in case you find that they are not unsubscribing, yet they've been on your list, for example, for 6 months, they are not opening your emails anymore, then clean out your list. I call it cleaning out your list. Clean out your list, remove those people. Why? When you have a very low open rate, it will begin to affect the quality of your emails. Servers all over will begin to identify your emails as spam, and you do not want that to happen to your emails. Okay, so other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I have convinced you that email marketing is still king. Now, in case you need more help with your email marketing, feel free to subscribe to this channel as I continue to release content of this type. You can also reach out to me, also watch my detailed masterclass on email marketing. The link will be in the description below this video. Other than that, I've had a lot of fun from myself and the team at DIGITO PRENEURS. Until next time, hasta la vista, bye-bye.